I got the Native Deodorant here. The smell is desert grass and sandalwood, and I've been trying to think like how I can describe this smell, and it's kind of tough for me especially because I'm not great at describing smells. But I would say it's like a clean smell with a touch of like outdoorsy, grassy, like just a fresh smell, fresh outdoor smell. I would say maybe like a little bit of bonfire or something, um, but just an outdoorsy type of smell. And so the main reason that I use this deodorant, apart from all other things, is it is paraben free and aluminum free. So two of those things are horrible, especially for men's testosterone, but also for women too. They're just chemicals and they're just not good for you in general. They really they can hurt your immune system and a whole plethora of other things. So you want to steer free of those, which is in basically every other deodorant brand, especially antiperspirant deodorant brands. And you might ask, well, if it's not an antiperspirant deodorant, is it gonna make like am I gonna smell throughout the day? And my answer is no. I don't ever smell, or as far as I know, my friends haven't told me I smell. I actually get compliments on it. It smells so good, and I've never had like bad BO. I've never been a guy who's just like stinky or anything, but I've had no problems at all. So maybe if you do have really, really bad armpit stench, it's not for you. But as far as just a normal person, it's worked great. And it says all the ingredients on the back. It's all natural ingredients. It actually, if you go on the site, it'll tell you like it'll say the complicated name and then in parentheses tell you exactly what it is, and it's all good stuff. So I would definitely recommend it because I use it every day and it has helped me with my health a lot.